Today, we want to share a real experience from our customer in Canada. After receiving our Stair-Climbing laser cleaner, he started his first test. Many industrial cleaning machines are heavy and difficult to transport, especially when working in buildings, old factories, or places without elevators. During his first test, he mainly focused on the cleaning performance. Unlike traditional cleaning machines that only work on flat floors, this robot is designed to move on stairs. The climbing system provides stable movement between different levels. The adjustable handle and climbing wheels allow us to move the machine easily between different working areas. The front storage box also keeps the cleaning gun protected during transportation.
Laser-driven, reshape your